Hello, I'm Christian from the Communities team at the National Football Museum, and today we're making flags out of ice cream sticks. For this craft activity, we need just 3 things: glue, ice cream sticks, and felt tips or paint to colour. The first thing you want to do is colour in your sticks according to which flag you're making. Any guesses which flag I'm doing? I'll give you a clue. This nation has won the Men's World Cup 4 times and the Women's World Cup twice. In the National Football Museum's collection, we have shirts from Birgit Prince and Franz Beckenbauer, belonging to this country's football team. Of course, it's Germany. Now, once you've coloured your sticks, get them in the right order and get 2 sticks for your flagpole and glue it to the back. Press and hold. I'm also using a second stick to help secure the flag in place, gluing this diagonally across the back. Press hard on the sticks and hold, then leave for 5 minutes to dry. And there you have it, our 4th flag for our 4-team Subbuteo tournament. Don't forget to check out more crafts on our stay-at-home activities page on our website, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!